So as you guys can see, we have changed a little bit. So now I'll give you a more into discussion regarding what by means here, or what by does here. By usually comes with one thing that is really special and not that much special, because sometimes it can also include a verb, sometimes it can include a noun. So what is it? It is a noun. Noun, for most of you, if you probably know noun, if you are in this video, you will know noun, because it's the most basic thing in English language. But if you still don't know, so just for a rehearsal, I'll give you a recap that noun is a person, place, or thing. Its name. The name of a person, place, or thing is called noun in grammatical language. So, what does by usually use with? Or what do we use it with? If we are using noun with by, so what are the different type of nouns? Now, there are many exceptional cases. You can use it with many different things, with many different ideologies and things. But if you're using noun with by, so it's mostly because of two things. There are exceptional cases, which is communication and transportation. What? Communication and transportation. It is mainly for these two reasons. As I said, exceptions can be there. There are always exceptions, and there are always rules in English language that sometimes cannot make sense for most of us. But rules do not have to make sense, and exceptions do not have to be obvious. So we have a few examples here. I will contact you by email. By email. So email here is the noun with us, and what it functions as here is a way of communication. As I said, it can be communication. Like we can also say that I will contact you by call. That can be correct. So we have another example. I will message you by text. What is text here with us? Text here is communication, a platform, a medium to communicate with others. So what it means here is I will communicate to you, I will talk to you by text. Means messages or whatever you want to call it. It can mean anything. I will contact you by call. That is correct. Now we have also transportations. I will go home by, or I will go by bus. You can also use like words like I will go school by bus, or I will go home by bus. What is here? We have bus. What is bus? Bus is a way of transportation, which is also a noun. So it doesn't mean that it only has to be some things. We also have I came by car. Car is also correct. You can also say I came by Uber. You can also say I came by bus, by car, by bike, by motorcycle, by bicycle, by scooter, by anything. There are many. Like in Pakistan, you can say I came by Kareem, I came by taxi, I came by rickshaw. Or in our typical language, we say rickshaw, but in English, you'll say auto. So just in case if any of you don't know the word, so the word for rickshaw is auto. So here I have another example like I came by car. So you can make many examples. It's up to you. It's up to your own choice. Whatever type of example you like or you can depend upon, it's up to you. We have also exceptional cases that I will write by. They're exceptional cases. It's just simple. There can be many different nouns that you can use. I eat by chopsticks. I eat by chopsticks. Now, is this correct? Yeah? Is this correct? No, it's not correct. So, why is it not correct?